Am I the only one that didn't know getting a visa to Denmark is super easy? Let me show you how. First, head over to the official Danish visa application website. Fill out the online form with your personal details. Don't forget to double-check everything before hitting submit. Next, gather all required documents. This usually includes your passport, recent photos, travel itinerary, and proof of accommodation. You'll also need to show proof of financial means and travel insurance. Book an appointment at your nearest visa application center. At your appointment, submit your documents and complete your biometrics. This means a photo and fingerprints. It's quick and painless. Now pay the application fee. You can usually do this online or at the application center. Keep your receipt, it's important. Finally, just wait for the processing time. It could take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, so plan ahead, and that's it. Once approved, pack your bags and get ready to explore the beautiful sights of Denmark. Safe travels.